So I found this footstool on Vinted for just £12, and I thought, why not? It looked a bit tired, but I could already see the potential. I did make one little mistake along the way, but in the end, I absolutely love how it turned out. Let me show you how. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Raquel and I love sharing fashion, shopping, affordable finds, home styling, and every now and then a creative DIY project like this one. You will usually see fashion content on this channel, but I also enjoy giving old pieces a new lease of life whenever inspiration strikes. So today I'm transforming this little £12 footstool that I found on Vinted. This was actually the fabric I started off with and I was really excited. But once I got into the project, I realized I did made a mistake. It was not giving me the soft, luxurious look I wanted, so I had to rethink the whole thing. So let's see if I manage to save it and turn this bargain find into something that looks a lot more expensive. Let's see. So this was actually my first attempt. I did already started covering the top of the Footstool with this fabric, but the more I looked at it, the more I realized it just was not the look I was going for. There was not anything wrong with the fabric, it just did not match the vision I had in my head. So I decided to start again and switch to this beautiful Bouclé oatmeal fabric. I absolutely love the soft texture, and I knew it would give the footstools that cozy, warm hand look I was trying to achieve. Honestly, I am so glad I changed my mind because this fabric suits my home so much better. And here is the final reveal. I honestly can't believe this started as a £12 Vinted find. I am so happy with how it turned out, and I think the oatmeal boucle fabric gives it such a soft, cozy high-end look. If you enjoyed this makeover, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe to the channel if you have not already done so.